Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to remember all your key points during a presentation, this tutorial is going to be a total game changer. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add slide notes in Canva, a super simple yet powerful feature that helps you stay confident and organized during any presentation. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Canva project that contains your presentation slides. Once your project is open, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a small tab labeled Notes. If you don't see it right away, just scroll down a bit. It's right below your slide preview area. Click on the Notes tab and you'll see a blank space appear. This is where the magic happens. This section is your private workspace, a place where you can jot down reminders, talking points, or explanations that complement your main slides. Now, start typing your notes directly into that space. You can include anything: key data points, timing cues, or even small reminders like pause for audience questions or emphasize this statistic. These notes are only visible to you, the presenter, so feel free to personalize them however you like. Here's a quick pro tip. Keep your notes short and clear. Use bullet points or short sentences so they're easy to glance at while presenting. This helps you stay focused and ensures your delivery feels natural and well structured. And if you're practicing your presentation in Canva, these notes will show up in presenter view, giving you a smooth, guided flow while your audience only sees your slides. It's perfect for both in-person and virtual presentations. And that's it. You've just learned how to add slide notes in Canva. It's such a simple feature, but it can make a massive difference in how confident and organized you feel during your next presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more quick Canva tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.